You know that feeling when you walk into a place and it instantly feels like you're stepping into a different era? That's exactly how I felt walking into Chokhi Dhani. It's not just a tourist spot, it's a beautifully crafted window into Rajasthani culture, history, and hospitality. From the moment we entered, we were greeted with a warm tikka welcome, and right away, I knew this wasn't going to be an ordinary evening. All around me were vibrant colors, cultural dances in every corner, and exhibits that took you back centuries. Statues told stories of war, bravery, and royal life. It felt like history was alive and breathing all around. One of the most peaceful moments of the evening was by the ghat, where they held a small aarti ceremony. I waited for the evening prayers to start, lit a diya, and joined in the prayer. And something about the loud aarti makes you feel peaceful. It just made me feel deeply grateful to be there, so far from the noise of everyday life. And then for the food, an essential part of any cultural experience. We sat cross-legged on the floor and were served a traditional Rajasthani thali. Simple, soulful food like dal bhati churma, sabzis packed with flavor, and sweet dishes to end the meal. Rajasthani food is known for its spice, and I could definitely feel the heat. But paired with sweet dishes, I was able to survive and enjoy the experience. There's something about eating like this, grounded, connected, that makes you appreciate the roots of a place. Out in the open, I also did a camel ride here. At first, it felt exciting. The kind of thing you do when you're in Rajasthan. But afterwards, I couldn't stop thinking about the way the camel's mouth was tied and how much pressure these animals are put under for tourism. It made me reflect. Not every cultural experience needs to come at a cost to others. It's something I wouldn't choose to do again, and it reminded me why conscious travel matters. The night ended with a breathtaking performance. Women balancing dozens of pots, spinning gracefully to folk music. It was mesmerizing, and honestly, it made me feel lucky to witness this living art. Chokhi Dhani reminded me that culture isn't just something you visit, it's something you feel, something you respect. While not every moment was perfect, it was real, and real is always worth it. If you ever find yourself in Jaipur, let yourself slow down and experience a place like this with open eyes and a curious heart. Watch my other Rajasthan vlogs to see more of this beautiful state. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to enjoy places through my lens. See you in the next video. Ciao!